Hi there, you're on IGCSE Maths Tutors, and in today's video we're going to solve an IGCSE exam question on compound interest. It's quite a simple subject really, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video. The question says, Andrew invests £3,000 for 3 years at 2.4% compound interest per year. At the end of 3 years, a 40% deduction of the total interest is made. Work out the amount in the account at the end of 3 years after the deduction has been made. Now let's take one thing at a time. The first part of the question says that Andrew invests £3,000 for 3 years at 2.4% compound interest per year. Now what have we got? Well, the amount at the end of the period of course is unknown. We call that A. The amount at the beginning, which we call the principal amount, and we call it P, this is given, it's £3,000. The interest rate R is 2.4%, and the number of years is 3. So we have quite a simple formula that you must know. It says that the amount at the end of the period A is equal to the principal amount multiplied by the bracket of 1 plus R, the interest, over 100, all to the power of n, which is the number of years. Now, if we substitute the values that we have into this equation, we can easily get the amount at the end of the period, which will end up to be £3,221.225. And from this amount, we can easily get the amount of the actual interest during these 3 years. It is simply the amount at the end of the period minus the principal amount at the beginning, and this gives us £221, or rather £221.225. Now the second part of the question says that a deduction of 40% of the total interest is made. It's not a deduction of 40% of the amount at the end of the period. No, it's 40% deduction of the interest. So the amount of the interest that we've just calculated will be multiplied by 40 over 100 in order to get the deduction amount, and this turns out to be £88.49. Now we turn to the requirement of the question, which is to work out the amount in the account at the end of 3 years after the deduction has been made. And to do this, we get the amount at the end of the period, which is £3,221.225, and deduct from it the deduction amount, which we calculated to be £88.49, and this gives us £3,132.76, and this is the right answer. I hope you found this simple and easy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to know how this formula is derived, please do let me know in the comments, and I will make a video to explain this for you. Although you are not required in an IGCSE exam to prove how we get this formula, you just need to know it. And as usual, I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye for now.